What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Spell Token, which has pumped up over 15% in the last 24 hours and is currently valued at this value here. So as you guys can see, it did pump up earlier this afternoon and slowly starting to drop back down in value. So we're going to be looking at where is this crypto heading to next. Is it going to pump further, or is it going to simply crash back down in value? So of course we are, as usual, going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also look at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and mainly going into 2024. What can we expect from this crypto, and is it worth holding on to it, or is it better to sell it off? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Spell Token, which is here in purple. However, it is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in red, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line going in a positive direction and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a bullish direction, and the blue line is looking bearish. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Spell Token over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow midday, I'm expecting the crypto to be hovering around 0.00054 cents. So somewhere around here is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. However, that doesn't mean that it's going to stay at the price range constantly. Of course not. It's likely to drop further and pump back up, potentially up to 0.0006 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value. So yes guys, do expect it to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to more or less be on the neutral side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we are looking way too bullish and way too steep guys, meaning it's not realistic. Again, only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping at that pace and going in that direction. However, that is not the case. Over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Spell Token to have gone through an overall drop in value, dropping down to where it was trading yesterday, so around 0.00047 cents, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So yes, you would have guessed guys, over the next couple of days I'm expecting Spell Token to be dropping in value, hitting red candles. But again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red candles. Of course, it's likely to hit green candles here and there in between, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. So do expect an overall drop in value from Spell Token over the next week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again guys, we are looking a little bit more skeptical. The blue line is looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction, just like how we did in the 30-minute chart. So again, just to give you guys an explanation, since about September time, as you guys can see, it pumped up in value, dropped back down, pumped up, dropped back down, and it is literally at the same value as it was trading back in September, and that is exactly what I'm expecting over the next 6 to 8 weeks as well. pumps, drops, but overall it should be maintaining its value at its current price range. Let's say around 0.0005 cents is where I'm expecting Spell Token to be trading at towards the end of the year and early to mid January 2024 as well. So yes, it is likely to hit green and red candles up and down, pumps and drops, just like how it's been. This should give you guys a clear indication on what I mean. So yeah, this is going to get repeated over the next 6 to 8 weeks is what I'm trying to say. But again, no major movements or pumps or anything like that is expected as of yet. However, if there is, you guys already know, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. Again, the Fibonacci scale is a little bit useless when it comes to Spell Token, because as you guys can clearly see, we are literally trading in the lowest part of the red zone, and to even hit the resistance target we need to hit around 0.006 cents, which we are not even close to at the moment. So it's going to take a very long time and a massive percentage increase for that to take place, which I'm not expecting at least for the next 2 to 3 years. So there's no point focusing on after that. So at the moment we are going to be stuck in the red zone, but as long as we can slowly move upwards towards the positive direction, we should be good to go. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,000% in the last 24 hours, making it $58 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Of course, it's pumped up quite a bit over the last couple of hours, so we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning it is getting a lot of attention around it. A lot of people are trading it, which also helps the value of the crypto pump up as well. So as I mentioned, I'm expecting it to pump up a little bit higher over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down. So now from both buyers and sellers point of view, I'm going to give you guys my personal opinion and what I would do. Doesn't mean you guys need to follow it. Everyone's got their own opinion. But would I buy the crypto right now? No, I wouldn't. Simple answer, guys. Reason is it is overvalued. As I explained to you guys, it is likely to drop back down further, and I'm not expecting it to pump up that much anytime soon or even in the long run as well. So I wouldn't invest into it right now. But if it did manage to drop to like a much lower value than where it is at the moment, then yes, I may consider it. Now, seller's point of view, if I was on a profit right now, would I sell it? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell all of it. If I had $1,000 into it, I would probably sell about $300 to $400 worth, so 30 to 40%, and keep the remaining 60 to 70% into Spell Token for the long term, meaning I've taken out some profit and I've also got some Spell Token invested, which works both ways. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Spell Token, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below your take and your prediction on this crypto. What is the highest or lowest figure you guys are expecting Spell Token to hit in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.